Eric is joining me now from New Roads Behavioral Health. And Eric, I understand you have a program there specifically for borderline personality disorder. Tell me more about that.
So let me just tell you quickly what borderline personality disorder is. So it's people that tend to have push-pull relationships. They usually have the way you can tell them is they have a string of failed relationships in their past, lots and lots of failed treatment episodes, often very emotive. But one of the things I want to emphasize today is unfortunately many of them engage in suicidal behavior and non-suicidal self-injurious behavior, which we're going to call cutting.
Yeah, what is that? Non-suicidal self-injurious behavior. What's the difference?
So the difference is suicidal is I have a thought of perhaps dying, but often what we see is they're not thinking of the permanence. They're thinking that this is a way to make their life more manageable. So I'm going to make this attempt and I'm going to make my life more manageable. Or there might be other intents behind this, and that's what we as therapists have to figure out is their intent to rally the troops around themselves? Is their intent to actually get put in the psych hospital, which is a nice break for them? So what we have to find out is, are they being reinforced? Is this scary behavior being reinforced by us and by their environment? And then we have to, and when we find out what that intent is, we can bring new skills in to replace that and to reinforce the use of those skills.
Is it treatable?
It's very treatable. There's
so
tons and tons of studies.
So if you or a loved one is facing this, there's a place to go.
Oh, definitely. It works. We know it does.
New Roads Behavioral Health, their website, everybody, is newroadstreatment.org. Is that the best place to go for an appointment and information, Eric?
So I think it's the best place to go for information. So you can go to that site and you can look at the number, and you're welcome to call that number and ask as many questions as you want to our admissions people.
Well, and so many different programs there at New Roads, and also a brand new location in Cottonwood Heights. For more, go to good4utah.com/extra.